Join me as I dive into the crazy reasons why beginners lose a whopping $48 billion in investing every year. That's not a small mistake. That's a global financial disaster. Every year, millions of people start investing to grow their wealth and secure their financial future. But the harsh reality is, many beginners lose money because of avoidable mistakes. In this video, we'll break down why beginners fail and how you can avoid it. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is letting emotions control their investment decisions. They chase hot stocks, panic when prices drop, and act based on fear of missing out. Another major mistake is a lack of research. Many people invest without understanding the company, its financials, or its real growth potential. One emotional decision can wipe out months of progress. Overtrading is another common trap. Beginners think trading more means earning more, but it actually increases fees, taxes, and mistakes. Following trends blindly is another mistake. Just because everyone is buying something doesn't mean it's a good investment. Many beginners also misunderstand risk management. The truth is, beginners don't fail because investing is impossible. They fail because they lack education, discipline, and strategy. Successful investors are not lucky. They are prepared. They understand risk. They follow a plan, and they stay patient. The most critical key to winning in investing is education and a strategic approach. Investing is a journey that requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning. By staying informed, controlling your emotions, and avoiding common mistakes, you can build a stronger financial future. If you've had investing experiences, good or bad, leave a comment below. Let's learn from each other. And check out my next video where I break down smart investment strategies for beginners.